Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's Victoria with VS Leather and Card. Today we're going to be making a set of holdbacks. This is going to go with the trivet we made yesterday. This will be in the home decor part of our website in our shop update that's going to be on March 20th. These holdbacks will be in a set of 2. And like I said, it's a similar design to the trivet we did yesterday, which is also going to be a set of 2. I have once again hyperlapsed my tooling and carving. The kind of tape I use to back my leather is the Scotch shipping tape. On projects where it's a little small to hold on to, especially if I've already cut it out, I will add an extra piece of tape behind it just to give me something to hold on to as I'm tooling around. I don't use weights on my leather. I'm just going to use this veiner on these oak leaves, give it a little more realistic look, a different design. And I'm just cutting in some lines on the acorns and on the leaves. I'm going to be doing the same technique as I did yesterday with the leather balm. Just making sure that those oak leaves don't get the antique on them or stain them. I'm going to dye the back of these black, and then I'm going to burnish them with some toconol. I'm more pasting the leather here. So I'm using toconol, and then I'll just use a burnishing stick. I don't have a glass slicker, so I just use my burnishing stick. All the products I use will be linked in the description below. So if you need something or you see something you like, feel free to check that out. I've already punched my holes. It's a 5/16 hole punch. Those are also linked down there. Just going to seal my edges again with the toconol and burnish those down. And then I'll go ahead and dye those edges. If you're going to burnish before you dye your edges, you're really going to have to be careful and get off any of that extra dye. Otherwise, it'll ruin your project. These are the grommets I'm using. They're from Tandy. I bought the setter. I ended up not using the setter. But there's that hole punch. They came in a set. I got them from Harbor Freight. They seem to work just fine on leather. Once those are set, we're all done. Don't forget, if you like these holdbacks, they are going to be in the shop update on March 20th. Just a quick video today, guys. Thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time. Bye.